So I presented my fourth book, which was a nice new Karate Kid. Last week we went over the Follow Through Karate Kid, and then prior weeks this summer we had the Two True Karate Kids and the Can Do Karate Kid. So I've had an awesome time with the kids here, talking about respect and goals and just having a can-do attitude. Thanks for the three loud dings for us to get started. Jenifer Tull-Gauger, that's me. I did the words and the pictures in this book. Attitude, a mental state, feeling, or emotion. Great martial artists make it their daily choice to have a good attitude, and anybody can choose that. Dojo is Japanese for a training hall, where you learn a Japanese art like karate. Dojo-kun is the oath or creed of the dojo, the most important rules of traditional karate.